Welcome and welcome back to the channel. My name is Satoya and we are at home. Today we will be doing some activities with Ezekiel for Halloween. There is a chocolate cookie house, haunted house, and then there's a gummy house that we have to. Right now I'm showing you directions for both of them. And so me and Ezekiel's going to go ahead and put these together, and we're going to do some DIY painting for some of our decorations that we're putting up through our house. I really hope that you enjoyed this content. On this channel, what we do is we do cleaning motivations, DIYs, we do lifestyle motivations, hair products, hair styles, natural hairstyles, anything a family does, that is what we do. And we hope that you really enjoy our content enough to go ahead and join the family by subscribing down below. Go ahead and click that thumbs up and make sure you comment down below. What do you like to do for DIYs? Y'all have a good day. Thank you so much. I'll be back towards the end of the video.
I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in late, we gonna jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. Time goes by and yet I wonder, are you and me still the same? Are you still loving the game? I know I don't. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. So I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free, set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Made a promise to myself, this time I will keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. With every smile, with every tear, I know I will make it. I'm gonna see a brighter day. Oh, oh, oh.
In my DIY videos, Ezekiel is always with me. This is my shadow. She has been my shadow for the past 11 years. I don't know what's going to happen when she leaves out the house when she gets older, but this is my little person. She's always with me, my mini-me. So I hope y'all enjoy watching us do our DIYs on our channel, and I thank y'all so much once again for all y'all support. I'll be back later.
And in my head, set your mind free, set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Oh, hey, yeah. Oh, oh.
And here are the finished products of our DIY haunted houses. As y'all see, we did the gingerbread or chocolate cookie one, and that's the one I did. And then Ezekiel did the gummy one. And yeah, I think we did a good job. They lasted maybe a week, and then we just threw them away. Yeah. All right, y'all, we are at the halfway mark. Right now, we're doing the DIYs that I got from Dollar Tree and painting them from Dollar Tree. They're $1. So Zeke got the acorn, I picked the pumpkin, and then I got 2 trucks. Y'all know my theme this year is blue trucks, and so, yeah, or anything blue trucks, though. So, yeah, we're just doing those things real quick to enhance our time together. While we're sitting here doing our DIYs, we always talk, see how she's doing, see what's going on, making sure she's feeling good and happy in her life right now. You know, though she's 11, she's still allowed to have feelings and emotions, and I just want to make sure that she's living her best life at this age also. All right, you guys, this video is about to come to a close. I want to thank you so much for spending your time with us. You didn't have to do it, for we are the family that love life and having fun and give you the motivation, inspiration that you need. Don't forget to subscribe, like, thumbs up, comment, and share this content with anybody that you think may need it, the motivation. Thank y'all so much, and as always, we will see y'all in 2. Peace out, y'all.